get some kind of privilege. Listen, while I drink, I smoke, I fuck. My kind we fight in the club. Mix up that vodka with that chronic, and I feel that love. While I dream, I work, I bleed. I say things that I don't really mean. I'm not into jail, maybe with my girlfriend's only 15. Can I get that from behind? Murdering, stabbing so much, I'm one of them. Listen, I'm living a life of sin. I don't have any friends. The rain is coming, and I'm running from myself again. I feel this virus coming on. That's perfect so you can see what I'm saying. Paint it perfectly clearly so that you know I ain't playing. Cause I don't give a fuck about you or that shit that you say. Yo, you caught up in the matrix, you blind, you sleeping on me. I dream, I wake, I bleed, I say things that I don't really mean. But mostly when I drink too much and I'm smoking too much kush, I'm under too much pressure, I think I think too much. Can't find my peace of mind, it's like I'm out of touch. I feel the silence coming on me.